Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 7, today I am going to take your English second paper. And our today's topic is preposition. And you have done preposition before, but today it's our revision class. We will do some exercises today. So let's start the class. So dear students, this is lecture 16 and this is your preposition revision class. And now look, there are two exercises, we will do it. And what is the instruction? Choose the appropriate preposition from the box and fill in the gaps. And dear students, we all know about the use of the prepositions, but we also we should also go through the appropriate prepositions which is in your book. And at first we will look at these prepositions. And what are they? For, at, to, on, over, with, to is again, and of. So there are 8 prepositions and we will use these prepositions to fill up this blank. So at first we will read this passage. Everyone relies on dash an honest man because he always remains true dash his words. In any circumstances he sticks dash his principles because he knows that truth always triumphs dash. He is satisfied dash what he has. He never seeks dash worldly luxury. He never smiles dash the poor like the rich. Such a person is worthy dash praise. So this is our passage. Now we will fill up the blanks. And in the first blanks, what will be there? Everyone relies on dash an honest man. So there will be what? There will be, the blanks will be here on. It will be that everyone relies on an honest man because he always remains true dash his words. So number B will be what? And we all know that it will be true to his words. And in any circumstances he sticks, number C, dash his principles. So what will be there? Sticks, we all know that it will be to with stick. So to his principles because he knows that truth always triumphs dash, and you know that we will use here over with triumphs. So it will be over. He is satisfied dash what he has, and we use the preposition with satisfied. So there will be with. He is satisfied with what he has. He never seeks dash worldly luxury. So now what will be there in F? Yes, we always use seeks for. Then to try to find out something. So it will be for. He never seeks for worldly luxury. He never smiles dash at poor like the rich. So smiles at or laugh at. We all know that these are appropriate prepositions. So there will be smiles at. And such a person is worthy dash praise. So what will be worthy of? We all know that will be of. We use of after worthy. So now we will go to exercise number 2. Choose the correct prepositions from the box and fill in the gaps. And now look, there are the prepositions to, by, for, by is again, on is again, that is 2 times, at, from. So there are 2 times by and 2 times on prepositions, and we need to fill up these blanks. And now look, there is a letter. We are going to Cox's Bazar, dear Ruman, we are going to Cox's Bazar sea beach dash the 14th December. Satman, Sharafi and others are joining dash the same day. We shall leave dash Chittagong dash noon. We hope to reach Chittagong dash train. Dash Chittagong we shall go dash bus. We are planning to go dash the St. Martin's Island. Please join us in time. See you soon, Ryan. So this is the letter, and now we will use the prepositions to fill up these blanks. So, dear Ruman, we are going to Cox's Bazar Sea Beach dash the 14th December. So, number A will be what? We know that we use on before the date. So, there will be on the 14th December. Sadman, Sharafi and others are joining dash the same day. So, there will be also what? Yes, on, we use on before the day, the joining on the same day. We shall leave dash Chittagong dash noon. We shall leave, yes, after leave we will use for. We shall leave for Chittagong dash noon, and we know that before noon we use at. Chittagong dash noon. We hope to reach Chittagong dash train. So, we hope to reach Chittagong by train. Before transport we use what? By. Dash Chittagong we shall go dash bus. And what will be there? Yes, from Chittagong. From Chittagong we shall go dash bus. So, there is the transportation again. So, we will write here by. We are planning to go dash the St. Martin's Island, and we all know that after go we use the preposition to. So, there will be to. So, this is the then. So, let us read these two passages passage of letter again with the answer. Everyone relies on an honest man because he always remains true to his words. In any circumstances he sticks to his principles because he knows that truth always triumphs over. He is satisfied with what he has. He never seeks for worldly pleasure. He never smiles at the poor like the rich. Such a person is worthy of praise. And now the next one. Dear Ruman, we are going to Cox's Bazar Sea Beach on the 14th December. Sadman, Sharafi and others are joining on the same day. We shall leave for Chittagong at noon. We hope to reach Chittagong by train. From Chittagong we shall go by bus. We are planning to go to the St. Martin's Island. Please join us in time. See you soon, Ryan. So, these are our two exercises, and dear students, all of you will practice prepositions at your home, and you will also go through the appropriate prepositions also. These are very important, and you need to know the use of the prepositions in the sentences. So, dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. Dear students, all of you will practice a lot and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.